Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I am Gandharva. Please share these videos with your friends, with your family. Share the good vibrations. And thanks for joining us every day or whenever you join us. We are here to feel the energy of each day, to understand it, and then to understand the energy inside of us that corresponds to that day. So today is the day of the giver. It's Thursday, the day of the giver, or Thor's Day, you could say. And of course, the giver is all about giving. I've spoken a lot about that on Thursdays. Another thing that the giver is about being social. Social. In yoga, there's a word for this that is called satsang. That means being together with people who are thinking similar things, doing similar things to you. It can also mean going to hear somebody speak about the truth, like a spiritual teacher, and being with a whole bunch of other people listening to that teacher speak. But it really is the idea of being together, being social. So someone who is a karma yogi spiritually, right, loves the social aspect of things, loves to feel that they are a part of something. So giving then, helping, serving without getting anything in return, is a lot of times done with others, you know? I mean, you can think of giving separately, just doing your thing, but it feels even better a lot of times to do it with others, to get a bunch of people together and say, hey, let's go help the homeless today, let's go cook some meals, let's go do this, let's go do that. That aspect of being together is very powerful. Wherever you have it, if you have it in relationships, you'll be more social in relationships. If you have it in career, you'll be more social in career. If you have it in creative play, it'll be fun for you to be social, etc. So one person who has this in his spiritual is the great Keith Richards, musician in the Rolling Stones. The drummer from the Rolling Stones, Charlie Watts, just passed away the other day. I'm going to speak a little bit about him tomorrow. But today is Keith Richards Day, and it's the day of the 5th. There's something beautifully friendly and elevating about a bunch of guys playing music together, right? Together. This wonderful little world that is unassailable. It's really teamwork. One guy supporting the others, supporting. And it's all for one purpose. And there's no flies in the ointment for a while. And nobody conducting. It's all up to you. It's really jazz. That's the big secret. Rock and roll ain't nothing but jazz with a hard backbeat. But yeah, Keith likes to be a part of a band, part of something. He likes that there are two guitar players in the Rolling Stones, so they can play off of each other. It's that giver social aspect. What is it that makes you want to write songs? In a way, you want to stretch yourself into other people's hearts. You want to plant yourself there, or at least get a resonance where other people become a bigger instrument than the one you're playing, right? It becomes almost an obsession to touch other people. To write a song that is remembered and taken to heart is a connection, a touching of bases. Touching of bases. A thread that runs through all of us, a stab to the heart. Sometimes I think songwriting is about tightening the heartstrings as much as possible without bringing on a heart attack. But I'm not here just to make records and money. I'm here to say something and to touch other people. Sometimes in a cry of desperation. Do you know this feeling? All about others. Today, get together with some people and do something. Do something fun, do something creative, do something for someone else, for others.